Welcome to Claremont Station. This is the newly renovated Claremont Station, but nothing much has really changed, although the platforms have been extended to accommodate for 6-car trains, and new tactile paving is on the platforms, and the yellow line and everything. And of course the turnaround has been installed for the Forestville Airport Link trains. There's the bike shelter and hut shelter. It's all stayed the same pretty much. I don't know why they needed 3 months to do this, but heritage restoration works. Okay, let's walk past the facilities. The train's going around the bend, past the siding right now. And then over here, they've added this little fence on the left and right where the train never stops, so you don't accidentally stand there. And then up the stairs to the footbridge and the signal box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay, whatever. And we're up now. Here they've put a little bit of new surface on the footbridge. Nice and dark, the color. But otherwise, everything else is still the same up here. Let's take this shot again, which we've done in 2 previous videos, of the siding on the bend. They've actually built 2 siding space for 2 trains, so that's pretty cool. And here's the view of the platform from up here now. Last time we were here, it was all construction works. Look. Yep. And the train's arrived here now. This train is going to Perth. This is the first time trains have been stopping here after 3 months of them stopping at showgrounds. I mean, not the first time, it's already like the 4th day or something. Off it goes now. Now we will skip showgrounds because this is open again. And now we're back down on the platform on the extended bit. Nice new lights as well. And a small little new shelter at the end here, the tactile paving in yellow line. Some nice new grey rocks for the tracks. Here's the little shelter, and there's another information and ticket machine there. Some more smart charter processors and a new ramp down to the pedestrian maze on this side. But the one on the other side is being removed. It's going to be replaced by a subway soon. And for now, it's still lots of construction. So this was these paths leading back to the main road. Nothing much else to see. Let's have a look at a quick clip of the train pulling in properly. But that's how Claremont Station now looks after 3 months of closure. Yeah, I've said that a lot. There on the right you can see the abandoned platform, which used to be the main one, but I already talked about all of that in the main Claremont video a few months ago, before any of this started. Here, and the train has arrived now. It stops just before the start of this little grey fence on the right. Stops at 35, going to Fremantle of course. Okay, everyone's loaded. Off it goes. Past. Although this is now a 4-car set and the platforms are for 6 cars, so they're much shorter than the whole platform now. But it's good that it's been extended, because eventually they'll all need to be extended, all the old lines platforms. Off it goes, back around the bend. Let's take a look at a few quick, nice, stylistic shots. Some pictures of the station. Here we go. This one, and this one of the station, the signal, with letters of where the train's gonna go, the new shelter. Just the station as a whole, and then the train pulling under the bridge with a view of the siding, the station viewed from the west, and that's it. Thanks for watching.